So my name is Kevin Kihara, and I am potentially the most unlikely person to be running a technology startup. I have trained to be a banker. I am a banker of almost 20 years standing, and in a mid-career pivot, I decided to establish a technology company focused on water. The idea of delving into Internet of Things was born out of the inefficiencies that I actually observed, particularly in NRW, which in Kenya costs the economy around $300 million a year. We could potentially buy off-the-shelf systems in Europe and Asia to address this particular problem, but those systems in terms of licenses, development time would cost many multiples and would not be largely affordable, not only in hardware but in software. And therefore a local solution had to be developed, and a solution which is applicable not only in Kenya but in other African countries. We are combining Internet of Things technologies in hardware, software, management applications, cloud management software to conserve water. Our first customer, Gitaro Water, is a customer who is facing significant challenges in the conservation of water, including a 37% non-revenue water and a rapidly urbanizing population, given its adjacency to Nairobi.
My name is Leo Kinyanjui. I'm the administrator of Gitaro Self-Reporter Project. The project was started in the early 1970s and serves about 20,000 people plus. One of the challenges we have been having since the inception of the project is water meters. The Upepo Smart Meters project provides an effective place to start the planning ahead. With the ability to send real-time data through the NB-IoT network, the devices will not only help in acquiring high level of accuracy, but also reduce operational costs and provide insights and forecasts that can be used to predict exactly how much water will be needed in the near future and prepare accordingly for it. Billing and data entry will be automated, thus reducing operational costs and increasing efficiency and service delivery.
On March 2nd, 2019, Upepo deployed the first narrowband device on Safaricom's narrowband IoT network. Kenya has a per capita water consumption per cubic meter of around 683 cubic meters per thousand against the UN recommended 1,000, and therefore with a rapidly growing population in urban and peri-urban areas across Kenya, we see water as being a major obstacle to development. We now seek to deploy in the long run around 2 million low-cost devices across Kenya. The potential market in total for this particular project would be around $160 million over 5 years. We are confident of achieving this overall number because at the end of the day, Upepo provides its technology and its know-how to Safaricom for wider dissemination. Upepo's platform is offered as a service in which we integrate ultrasonic water meters manufactured in China but with our own proprietary microcontroller to actually send data directly to the Safaricom cloud. We also have optionality in the cloud provision by also using Microsoft Azure. With the resulting readings, we are able to apply predictive analytics to determine future consumption and production of water within Gitaro. With the growth of the readings in the data set and with the 12 additional parameters in leak alarms, pressure sensing, and temperature, we will be able to determine the leaks and busts that reduce physical losses of water, while also using the meters to accurately calculate the bills of the customers at Gitaro, and therefore reduce the non-revenue water that currently stands at 37% to a single digit. If we reduce non-revenue water at Gitaro, we would be able to grow their revenue by 1/3 over 2 years, using a combination of smart zonal meters and domestic meters, and accurately providing insights and analytics that actually improve the overall operation effectiveness of the water company, but also in addition enhancing revenue. Thank you.